Hello everyone, this is JP Pirtle with JP Pirtle Real Estate. Thanks for your time today. We're out in Fern Creek, J-Town area where we just bought a really nice house. And I really love this house. So these people called us, they needed to sell, they were tired of living here. And then we gave them their best options, all their best options. We're a real estate broker, but we also buy real estate, we buy houses. They decided they wanted to sell the house. They did not want to go through a lot of showings, haggling with buyers, home inspectors, repairs. They didn't want to pay commissions or closing costs, so we went ahead and bought it for them. I love these people. They're great people. We're going to take a quick look at the house so you can see what we're doing here. This house has a lot of stuff, but you know what? They did not want to mess with it. We tell people, take what you want and leave the rest. They love that. That's probably one of the reasons they did this. This house needs a lot of work, but we love that. That's what we do. So, go around, Johnny. Great little floor plan. This house has about 2,000 square foot. Nice kitchen. Here. Primary bedroom. Power's off for now. We got to get that back turned on, but a lot of potential here. A lot of stuff out here in the garage. Again, we love houses like this. That's what we do. We can get these things cleaned out. We send a lot of this stuff to charity, whatever we can. But again, I love these people. I don't want to underemphasize that. They were just great people. And if you know anybody that is in the market to sell, we're going to give everybody their best options, not ours. If it's not a win-win, we're not going to do it. But again, we bought this house as is. There was no commissions. There was no closing costs, no showings, no home inspectors, no repairs. Take what you want and leave the rest. First and foremost, I want to thank everybody for their business. And I say this very, very humbly. If you don't call JP Pirtle, we both lose. Hope to talk to you soon. Thank you very, very much, JP Pirtle.